Match press conference. Congratulations to the De La Salle Lady Spikers for winning over the USD Golden Tigresses in 4 sets. The Lady Spikers now hold the twice-to-beat advantage against the Golden Tigresses in the Final Four on Saturday. We have Coach Noel Arculio, Sherbana Laput, and Amy Provido. Coach, congratulations for this victory. It's an intense match. Parang walang bumibitaw sa dalawang teams. So ano masasabi mo sa pinakitang effort ng Lady Spikers para makuha niyo yung inaasam na twice to beat at para magkaroon kayo ng advantage sa muling paghaharap niyo sa Saturday? Okay, so.
First of all, thank you. Siguro pinakita lang ng mga bata yung puso na gusto nilang manalo. Kaya siguro gano'n yung naging resulta. Kasi sabi nga namin sa kanila, hindi pa tapos yung laban. Kaya pa natin dumikit. Nadikitan nga natin ng first set iniwan tayo pero nadikitan natin. Bakit hindi natin tiyagain na kunin natin tong set na to. Kaya sabi nga namin, hanggat hindi nagto 25 yan, wag kayong bibitaw. Kapitan nyo. Kaya natin yan unti-unti, one point at a time. At yun, dumating nga. Inisa-isa namin na nakuha naman.
Thank you to Amy. You have a match best. 5 blocks, 5 attacks, 2 digs, and 1 escape reception. So, very important yung blockings on this match. So, how important for you, especially this is a moral boosting win, lalo na magkikita kayo ulit sa ng USD sa Final Four, what can you say?
Happy lang din ako sa pinakita ngayon ng team, ng lahat ng teammates ko. Nakitang-kita ko sa kanila na gusto nila, may puso. So ako, binigay ko lang din yung best ko for them. And yun, sila din yung naging motivation ko and yung coaches talaga.
Thank you to Chefs. You have 19 of 42 attacks, 2 blocks, 1 service ace. And for this high-stakes match, you know, it's a very important match to clinch the number 2 ranking. So what can you say about your team's performance and personally, what can you say with your showing?
I mean, this playoff was such a big opportunity for us. Despite everything that has happened in the elimination round, we were given this playoff chance. And we were not going to throw away this shot. We fought for this. We definitely put our hearts out, everything out, because we know we need this twice to beat. This is our best opportunity, and of course, I'm super proud of all of us. We all contributed to this win, and that's all I can say. I'm just super proud of each and every one of us.
Thank you, Chefs. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
For the players, compared to your second round win against USD, you know, it was a tough game, but a little easier to get the win on your part. What were the lessons that you guys got from that first round loss and the second round win that you guys remembered to implement today to get that win?
Siguro yung pagkakaiba is mas confident na kami ngayon sa sarili namin and sa bawat isa. May tiwala na kami, kaya parang mas buo na kami maglaro.
Yeah, adding to what Amy said, our chemistry as a team has definitely increased, but also simply just the mindset of we want it more.
Coach, what can you say na lang po dun sa blocking ng team? I think you guys had 20 blocks in this game. 20 against 8 lang po ng USD. So,
Yun nga sabi ko, ang ganda ng blocking namin ngayon na nakaka-read na sila. Baga, yung tinetraining namin na blocking, siguro nagmamatter ngayon. Lumalabas, sumusunod na sila sa binibigay naming instruction sa kanila. So, ayun, naging maganda yung blocks.
Coach, ibang sitwasyon para sa inyo ngayon, twice to beat. Gaano lang ka-importante itong posisyon nyo, lalo na against USD ulit sa Final Four?
Yun nga, at least, sabi ko nga kanina sa kanila nung pagkatapos, ito, hindi pa tapos yung laban. Nakuha lang natin yung twice to beat, pero dadating tayo doon sa actual na semifinals na tayo yung may advantage. So kailangan panghawakan natin tong advantage na nakuha natin, wag na nating bitawan pa.
For Amy and Coach, kung baka po ilang taon pagdating sa Lasal, blocking talaga yung tatak nyo, yun yung doon kayo pinakakilala at tanyag. Ngayong game na to, sa pinakamalagang game niyo so far this season, yun yung kumbaga inasahan niyo talagang bala para talunin yung UST. For you, Amy, bilang lead middle blocker muna, gaano kahalaga sa'yo to kumbaga be at your very best na talaga now more than ever at any point this season?
Mahalaga kasi nandyan sila sa akin, nagtitiwala, and before talaga, parang hindi pa ako ganun ka-kumpiyansa sa blockings. Pero dahil sa kanila, kay Coach Noel, pinagtsatsagaan nila ako. Parang pinanghugutan ko din yun na kaya ko ganun.
And coach, yun nga po bilang siguro po pagdating sa height, may mas matatangkad na middle sa mga kalaban. Pero bilang blocking team po talaga yung Lasal, paano nyo lang siniguradong mas magiging pulido pa yung net defense nyo?
Sa amin naman, sinasabi naman namin sa kanila yung sa blocking, hindi naman dahil sa tangkad na, it's all about timing eh. How to read the setter, paano niya iseset, at paano papaluin ng blocker. Kung ano yung iniisip ng spiker, kailangan mabasa mo kung paano niya gagawing palo. At doon ka magbasa para ano mo yung block. Ma-block mo siya. Kailangan basahin mo kung ano yung mga gagawin ng kalaban mo. Mag-umpisa ka sa setter, tapos sa set ng bola, tapos sa ng spiker.
And for Shavana, last year, UST eliminated you guys in the Final Four here at this venue. It sent you to the bronze medal. It's rare for Lasal to be in that position. So winning today over them, was there a sense of redemption or relief that you got the better of them and a big advantage in the Final Four?
Of course. We, especially the people who were in the lineup last season, we rewrote our story. And with this new team, we know that we can go all the way to the end. And this is just a confidence booster. This shows that we are capable.
Okay, so for Coach, what difference would Lasal show this season compared to last in a rematch against USD in Final Four? Difference that Lasal would show
Siguro,
this season?
yung difference nila ngayon, siguro itong mga batan to, gusto nila. Kasi last year medyo nagkulang eh. Baga towards the end of the second round, medyo bumaba na yung nila eh, yung demeanor na gustong manalo. Talagang kulang. Eh ngayon siguro yung mga bata napupush through our guidance na ano yung sarili nila, kung ano yung gustong mangyari ngayong season, sila yung gagawa.
Coach, aside dun sa blockings, yung isang tinake advantage din ng team, yung setters nyo, having them play extended minutes pareho. Can you talk about yung pagbalasa sa kanila? How important did that play para sa makuha niyo yung panalo?
Yun naman, diskarte na ni Coach eh, yung pagpapalit-palit ng setter, yung substitution. Timing lang eh, sa kung paano ita-timing, kung kailan papalitan. So, nasa kay Coach na yun kung paano nyo gagamitin yung mga setters namin.
And Amy, yun nga bilang isa sa ikaw yung highest blocker nung today's game. Do you think ano pa yung may improve mo going to that Final Four match against USD, or kailangan lang bang i-maintain pa yung pinakita yung tibay sa net?
For me, sa blockings, wala na akong problema. Maganda yung pinakita namin. Pero as a whole, siguro yung kailangan namin pang ayusin is yung mga errors, yung especially yung service namin kasi sobrang dami talaga. Yung need ba namin iwasan? Kasi importante yung mga susunod pang laban.
Coach Noel, everything went through, you lost to UP and then FU to end the elimination. So how satisfying is na yun nga, after everything, natapos kayo na number 2 team and then you have still a chance na makabalik sa finals after missing your chance last year. What can you say?
Doon sa yung past 2 losses namin, yun nga yung sinasabi namin sa kanila na ito yung nangyari yan, ito ngayon dumaan tayo sa playoff. kung tayo ang papalarin, destiny natin to. Kailangan lang panghawakan natin kung ano yung dapat nating gawin, na kailangan nating manalo, gustuhin natin. So siguro sabi nga rin namin, nasa sa inyo yan kung paano nyo dadalhin yung team kung saan. Kung dadalhin nyo sa finals, kayo yan. Kayo yung gagawa niyan.
To Chef's next question. I'm sure that with those 2 losses and you move on with it. So, what can you say about the team's attitude despite everything what the team went through, especially in the second round when you lost to UP and FE?
Of course, I'm super proud of everyone because we did move on. We chose to not dwell on what has happened. We chose to focus on what can happen and the opportunities that are coming our way. And we've stopped just waiting. We're now taking the win because we know that we deserve it. We earned it. So, yeah.
Next question. About recovering those 2 losses you had. Yung sa dalawang talo nyo, ano yung attitude nyo doon?
Siguro, ano ulit yun?
Yung naka-recover kayo from that 2 losses nung then ito number 2 kayo sa final four. What can you say?
Siguro, pinahugutan din namin yung pagkatalo na yun. Kasi, alam namin na hindi ganun yung performance na kaya namin. And ngayon, nalabas namin. And kaya kailangan namin pagpatuloy kasi dito pa lang nagsisimula yung laban, yung totoong laban. Yan din yung laging sinasabi ng coaches sa amin.
Congratulations, Coach Noel, Chefs, and Amy.